Should I like higher the angle a little bit? Also, it's so freaking hot right now that it's humid. It's 5:20 p.m. and it's humid. Why the hell is it humid at this time? Also, by the way, I was actually gonna do a waking up at 5 a.m. and unfortunately I couldn't do that. So what I'm thinking to do is I'm gonna be waking up tomorrow, but right now I'm gonna be recording because I really want to. Okay, so it's currently 5 a.m. and I feel so sleepy. Good morning, everyone. It's 6:20 a.m. There's a soft breeze situation going on, which is why I'm here because it's kind of cold over here. It seems like it's November. I have boiled hot water so that I can have tea and rusks, and we also need to do some computer work aside. We're done editing this video, so first task is complete for my journal. So you guys must have already watched the video because by the time that video is gonna be out, after that this video is gonna be out, it's time for breakfast. So I'm also gonna be checking what's for breakfast. Okay, so basically I had gone out for some work and this is like my work outfit. Either when someone's coming to our house, I wear this outfit, or if I have to go for some work, I wear this outfit. And now I'm having this juice. So this is a mixture of plum and lemonade. The thing is, yesterday my mom made plum juice, which I didn't drink, so I drank it right now. And my mom also made lemonade, so I just drank plum, so now I'm drinking the lemonade one. Guys, please ignore this thing I have. This is Niso. Actually, I was getting a lot of irritation and itching in this region because you can probably say I'm allergic to heat and sweat. And whenever I sweat or whenever the heat is directly on any of my body surfaces, it starts to itch a lot. So basically, it's 2:30. I think no, it's gonna be like 3. So it's like 2:45 p.m. I'm sweating in this kitchen because it's actually very humid. And in order to cool things down, I need to like on the fan, which I'm not gonna because otherwise you're not gonna hear what I'm gonna say. So I thought, why not we make my 2 most favorite things that I haven't had for a very, very, very long time. Maggie and iced coffee. So we are 1 day away of July and we need to make the layout because that was like for 1 week. This is going to be for like 4 or 5 weeks, I'm thinking. So that's why I need to get ready with the journal. I'm going to be like playing something on my laptop and going to be doing stuff on my journal. Okay. So, oh my god, basically, I kind of oiled my hair because my hair was like acting weird for some reason. And there were like strings on top of my head. So I did not like that. So I thought, why not to oil it? And I also thought, you know, I mean, I can just like wash my hair right now, but the only problem is that the electricity is not there. So we're like saving water. Obviously, there have been a lot of instances where we have used excess of water. Okay, let's get started with the layout. 지니